Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable adaptive brightness mode. Friends, you want to disable your adaptive brightness, so friends you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable adaptive brightness mode in our Technophone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video, so first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to disable adaptive brightness in our Technophone. So we will on our phone setting friends, and scroll it, and guys you can see display and brightness guys, tap here, and guys you can see adaptive brightness setting guys. So let's tap here to disable. And guys, how to disable guys, you can see guys right side this icon guys, tap here to disable. So guys your adaptive brightness will disable. And guys you can use guys your brightness setting yourself guys. You want to increase, you want to decrease, you can increase and decrease yourself guys. Brightness will not increase and decrease automatic after disable adaptive brightness. So like that guys, you can disable your adaptive brightness mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.